Hi, I'm going to show you how the SimpleLOD package works. I have an empty project here, and first of all we need to import the SimpleLOD package from the asset store. So I open the asset store window and search for SimpleLOD. There it is, and we import it. And since I'm the owner of it, I don't have to pay for it. It now opens a window with all the assets contained inside the package. Most of this is stuff for the demo, but we'll just import them all for now. We now have a SimpleLOD folder inside our project, and inside that is a demo folder that contains the demo scene. When we run it, you see that it's quite heavy, has a lot of meshes, a lot of submeshes, a lot of materials. When you click on the second button, you see all submeshes merged together. It is now a lot less heavy on the graphics card, and when you click on the third button, you see all the LOD levels activated. When we click on this sky car here, you see an LOD switcher component added. That also shows you which LOD level is currently visible. Now back to our own scene. I've created a simple scene with nothing in it, just one model that I downloaded from the asset store. And as you can see, it contains a lot of child objects, and each child object has its own mesh with several submeshes. They use the same materials partly, and the first thing we are going to do is merge all these submeshes, all these child objects into one big mesh with one submesh per used material. So we go to Tools, SimpleLOD, and this opens up a panel. We click on Merge Child Meshes, and there it is, it's already done. You can see that it now has a mesh renderer and a mesh filter added to the parent object and deactivated all the child objects. You can see in the console where your mesh is stored. There it is. And we can get rid of all those child meshes. You can also leave them there, but your build will be bigger when you do. So now we have one game object with one big mesh that has 9 submeshes per material used. We're going to generate LOD levels for this mesh, and for that we'll again click on Tools, SimpleLOD, and then there's the Generate LOD Meshes. But the default values that are given here, 0.65, 1 and 1.5, are a little bit high. I did this before, so I know I better use 0.3, 0.6 and 1 for optimal result. Then we click the button and it gives me a warning that this will take long. What happens is it has to check every adjacent triangle, and when your mesh gets bigger, the time it takes will increase exponentially. Well, we're back, and this took about 4 minutes, but it's ready, and we have some quite promising results. 50% for the first LOD level, then again 30% for the next, and again 50% for the third. And it also shows us where the new meshes are stored in our project folder. Here they are. When we look at our game object, we see that there's a new LOD switcher component added, and it has the meshes for all the LOD levels in it. We can change the LOD level to test drive, to test what it looks like. And when we change to LOD level 1, well, I hardly see any change. LOD level 2, some minor changes, some minor things here. And LOD level 3, also some minor things here at the door, and of course these holes at the nose. But this is for LOD level 3, which normally is viewed from quite a distance, so who cares? And this is how SimpleLOD works.